Hi students, welcome back home to Mars. Today we shall discuss the last infrahyoid muscle. I'll give you a clue. Guess the muscle. This is the only muscle which breaks the rule of infrahyoid muscle. Any guesses? Second clue. It behaves more like a suprahyoid muscle. Any guesses? It is thyrohyoid muscle. We shall draw and learn this muscle. So identify the infrahyoid muscles here. This is omohyoid, one of the superficial infrahyoid. This is sternohyoid, another infrahyoid superficial muscle. This muscle is sternothyroid. It's a deep infrahyoid muscle, and this muscle is today's session. This muscle is thyrohyoid. Thyrohyoid. We shall discuss about this muscle now. So here goes the thyrohyoid muscle. Thyrohyoid muscle. Two unique features of thyrohyoid muscle are, first thing is, as we discussed just now, it behaves more like a suprahyoid. So what is the function of a suprahyoid? It elevates the larynx to close the airway. Similarly, this thyrohyoid muscle, though it is an infrahyoid muscle, its characteristic function is it elevates the larynx. Elevates the larynx. This is the characteristic function. Second, all the infrahyoid muscles are supplied by ansa cervicalis, but thyrohyoid is supplied by C1 through hypoglossal nerve. So these two characteristic features you require to remember for your exams. Now we'll learn about the origin and insertion with the help of a diagram. So first we shall draw the hyoid bone, because thyrohyoid is an infrahyoid muscle. So first we'll draw the hyoid bone. Second, we'll draw the manubrium sterni. This is manubrium. Then we'll draw the key cartilage here. This is the thyroid cartilage, which has got a oblique groove. So this is oblique groove on the lamina of thyroid cartilage. Here is the thyrohyoid membrane. So just draw the thyrohyoid membrane. So label this as thyrohyoid membrane. Thyrohyoid membrane. Label this as hyoid bone. Just draw the cricoid cartilage and the tracheal rings for just a better understanding. These are the tracheal rings. Now, first we'll draw the sternothyroid muscle. So you're already aware, sternothyroid takes origin from the posterior surface of manubrium sterni and gets inserted to oblique line on the thyroid cartilage. So this muscle is sternothyroid. The extension from sternothyroid is thyrohyoid. That means origin of thyrohyoid is oblique line on the lamina of thyroid cartilage. So it takes origin from oblique line on the lamina of thyroid cartilage and gets inserted to the lower border of greater cornua and body of the hyoid bone. This is the insertion. So when the suprahyoid muscles stabilize the hyoid bone, at that point this thyrohyoid muscle will pull the larynx upwards. This is the characteristic point. So the action of thyrohyoid muscle is it elevates the larynx. This is the characteristic point. Nerve supply we have already discussed, C1 through hypoglossal nerve. Now, what happens if this thyrohyoid muscle is paralyzed? We'll discuss about this in clinical correlation in our very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share your valuable inputs for us to improve the class. This is Mars, where medicine meets meaning.